This is the August 2020 crypto giveaway video. That's right, make sure to drop a comment below on this video to stand in line to win your share of over 3,200 Rands worth of free crypto. Good morning, everybody. Couple of rules with the competition. Whoever drops the first comment will win 1,000 Rand worth of crypto of their choice. After that, we will have 3 random draws. 500 Rand, 700 Rand, and 1,000 Rands worth of crypto. Cryptocurrency has to be chosen from the cryptocurrency that is available on the Altcoin Trader platform. Altcoin Trader is sponsoring this monthly giveaway with the hope of attracting more people to crypto. So share the good news about these monthly giveaways. Tell your friends, tell your family, and let's see if we can get more people involved in this amazing alternative financial space. Then, in addition to that, if you choose XR, the South African stablecoin, you will get an additional 30% on your winnings. So it's really a no-brainer. Why wouldn't you want that bonus? Guys, we ask that you'll drop in the comments your address and crypto of choice so that we can make that payment quickly and swiftly. The draw will take place tomorrow on this channel, so make sure that you tune in to this channel to see if you are one of the lucky winners. Good luck, everyone. Now, day after day, we're seeing the prices of cryptocurrency just go higher and higher. We're seeing the charts explode, and Bitcoin is scarce. I just want to touch on the scarcity of Bitcoin and what we can expect to see with this new bull run, and some of the factors that may attribute to this bull run. First of all, we have got only 6.25 Bitcoin being mined every block. Now, a lot of people have forgotten about the Bitcoin halving, but it is in effect, it is in the code, and it happens every single day. So instead of having the 12.5 Bitcoin that we saw for many years, we're down to 6.5 Bitcoin being mined every 10 minutes, which has further added to the scarcity of Bitcoin. And while a lot of people have forgotten about it because the hype of the halving has passed, we're starting to see this effect reflect in the price of Bitcoin. And as we all know, as Bitcoin goes up, it drags all the other cryptocurrencies up with it. But it's not only the halving that has started to affect the price like this. There are 3 other factors that I want to discuss that will give some type of explanation as to what we can expect to see in the future with the Bitcoin price. The other factor is we've long since been waiting for institutional money to enter the space. And Grayscale and many other institutions have come in and have started buying up huge amounts of Bitcoin. So remember, we have that 6.25 Bitcoin being mined every 10 minutes. Articles like this show that institutions like Grayscale are buying up the entire supply of Bitcoin that is being mined. Now, just take a second to think about that and how that affects the scarcity of Bitcoin. We used to, every 10 minutes, Bitcoin being put onto the blockchain and being flushed into the system. But institutions are now buying up all of that Bitcoin. So essentially, there is no additional Bitcoin being added. If Grayscale continues to buy at this rate, that will dramatically affect the scarcity of Bitcoin. Now, while retail investors start to see the price go up, they will stop selling their Bitcoin, making it more scarce. Because while the price continues to go up, nobody wants to sell. People want to buy because they see the cryptocurrency is strong. They know the potential of this cryptocurrency, that it can go parabolic and reach all-time highs like it did in the past, which is just under the $20,000 mark. So just to quickly recap, we have got 6.25 Bitcoin coming out. We've got institutions that are arguably buying up all of that Bitcoin that's coming out. Then we have retailers that are seeing the price going up and are not willing to sell their Bitcoin. 3 factors adding to the scarcity. The 4th factor that I want to just talk about, which is something that we can expect to see explode in the near future, is decentralized finance. And as we see decentralized finance earlier this year under $1 billion, then going to $2 billion, $3 billion. Now we are at $4.5 billion locked up in the DeFi space. We get to a point where we start to see that people can use their Bitcoin, not only their Ethereum, but their Bitcoin as collateral. And this might lead to a situation where people no longer need to sell Bitcoin. When I say people, I mean institutional investors, retail investors. Any holder of Bitcoin doesn't have to sell their asset to unlock the value. They can put their asset into DeFi as collateral and then make use of the funds. And that is extremely powerful, and it is something that we can expect to see happening more and more as people understand the value of DeFi and understand the value of unlocking the finances of the asset while retaining the asset. So those 4 factors are setting up for a parabolic rise in the Bitcoin price. And as we know, that will be a parabolic rise in the entire crypto space. So in closing, if you don't own Bitcoin and you don't own crypto, in this time of the space, in this time where we can see new developments happening before our eyes, you absolutely are crazy. We can expect huge things from this asset class in the months and years to come. People stay tuned, watch the price of Bitcoin. It is going to be phenomenal. Of course, there's no guarantees. Anything can happen. Crypto is crypto, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just simply sharing my thoughts and my excitement about what we are about to see in this space. That's it from me. I'm out.